Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can trade stickers on Monopoly Go. So without further ado, let's start. To begin, open your Monopoly Go. But first, you have to make sure that you have 15 of this. In that way, you can open this album tab. Now I have 15 of that, so I can open this album. Just tap on album to see your stickers. So now here are my stickers. So now to trade your stickers, what you're going to do is to press on the stickers that you want to trade. After pressing the stickers, there will be option that you can share it to your friends. And then next, you can choose friends that you want to send your stickers. Next is to tap on confirm. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.